We will now see how to use merge sort to sort a pack of cards. I have 8 cards here, so I will divide this pack into 2 groups of 4 each. So this has 4 cards. I will further divide this into 2 more groups. Now I will take the left and then again further divide into 2 more cards which are elementary items. Now I will see whether they are sorted and keep it in the sorted order. Now this is sorted. Now we will check this. Now this we will sort and again keep it back. Now we will do the same thing with the right part. We'll again divide this into 2 groups and let us see this group whether it is sorted. We will sort this and keep it aside, and the last group we will see and sort it. Now all the subgroups, the left and the right, are sorted. Now we will see the left part and merge. For that, you'll have to take the first element from both groups and check. Whichever is the smallest will go into the sorted list, the other remains. Always check the first element in each group and compare. So among 4 and 6, the 4 will go here and 6 will remain. Since only 2 items are remaining here, we will keep them as it is. Now we will come to this group. Again, compare the first elements, and whichever is the smallest will go here, the other will remain. Again, compare the first elements, whichever is the smaller will go here, the other will remain. Now again compare, whichever is the smaller will go here, the other remains. Since this is the only remaining element, this will go here. Now we have 2 sorted groups and we will again continue the merging in the same way. We'll take the first element of both the groups, whichever is smaller will go, the other will remain. Continue with the next, whichever is smaller will go, the other will remain. Again compare, whichever is smaller will go, the other will remain. Again compare, whichever is smaller goes here. Again compare, 6 is smaller so it goes there. Again compare, 7 is smaller so it will go here. Again compare 8, since this is the only remaining element, it will also join the sorted list. Now if you see, all the elements would have been sorted using merge sort.